5. Subsonic aircraft. Number 1. Boeing 737. The Boeing 737 is one of the most iconic and widely used commercial airliners globally. Number 2. Airbus A320. The Airbus A320 family is a direct competitor to the Boeing 737. Number 3. Embraer E-Jet series. Embraer's E-Jet series, which includes models like the E175, E190 and E195, is renowned for its regional jet capabilities. Number 4. Bombardier CRJ series. The Bombardier CRJ series is another popular choice for regional airlines. Number 5. ATR-72. The ATR-72 is a twin turbopropped aircraft manufactured by ATR.